Unexpected uses for Vicks VapoRub. At some point in time, we've all used Vicks VapoRub as a nasal decongestant and topical cough suppressant to treat cold symptoms. But outside this usage, Vicks has a few more, less well-known purposes that are even more intriguing and no less effective. Here are the top 10 unexpected uses for Vicks VapoRub. 1. Repair your feet. A not-so-common home treatment for some foot diseases, such as athlete's foot, is Vicks VapoRub. Its antibacterial components, as well as the use of petroleum jelly, serve to seal in moisture while destroying microorganisms. 2. Treat acne. One of the most popular applications for Vicks VapoRub is to soothe skin, lessen inflammation, and clean up your complexion if you have eczema or acne. This works because of the presence of anti-inflammatories and antibacterial compounds such as camphor and eucalyptus. 3. Get rid of insects. To ward off insects, including mosquitoes, dab a little VapoRub on your arms, legs, neck, or other exposed skin regions. Camphor is the main ingredient in Vicks, which can also be used to repel mosquitoes and fleas. 4. Lessen the visibility of stretch marks. Stretch marks and other scars have been known to be lessened by VapoRub's anti-inflammatory qualities. 5. Diminish bruising. You can use VapoRub for small injuries and bruises. This is because of menthol, which provides a cooling feeling that reduces inflammation and helps to relieve the discomfort brought on by the bruise. 6. Treat scrapes and burns. Vicks VapoRub contains petroleum, which provides a barrier for your injuries and aids in the healing of small cuts and scrapes. The anti-inflammatory qualities of menthol and eucalyptus also aid in promoting and stimulating healing. 7. Alleviate headaches. One of the best ways to utilize Vicks VapoRub for sinus headaches is to just breathe in the fragrance. It's a rapid remedy for headache relief and cranial pain. 8. Reduce muscular pain. Apply a small amount of Vicks VapoRub to the afflicted region to ease the unpleasant effects of an intensive workout. The cooling feeling helps to calm inflamed or worn-out muscles. 9. Soothe irritated heels. Before bed, cover your feet with VapoRub, put on socks, and awaken in the morning to moisturized heels. 10. Joint pain. Joint discomfort can be reduced by the camphor in VapoRub. Because it affects nerve endings, it acts as an analgesic. Try applying VapoRub directly to the affected joint for pain relief. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get more videos like this one.